Okay, I think I did it, guys. Sorry, I'm a few moments late. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. We are going to be focusing on being mindful. Next week, we're going to focus on quieting the mind. Oh, well, no, this week is quieting the mind. Next week is watching the mind. My mind needs to be quieted right now, especially after trying to get us on. So let's take a deep breath, relax, close our eyes, and begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let's take another deep breath and just invite yourself to relax and let go. Take another deep breath and let go even further. Let's bring our attention to the top of our head and to our third eye on our forehead between our eyebrows. Notice the movement and the energy there. That is where the divine sends a continuous flow of everything to us. Brings our ability to breathe, function, joy, love, abundance, mercy, everything's coming through. So we're going to follow this beautiful stream that's always going through us like a river. And as we do, we will release any blocks and let go. As it fills our head, notice your scalp is tingling and everything is letting go. Emotional, mental, and physically, you're just letting go. As it flows into your throat, releasing all the tension in your spine, releasing the blocks that are there, flowing into your shoulders, and it just lets go. Flowing down your arms and out your hands and fingers, right through your whole trunk. Notice the organs. You can actually sense them relaxing, renewing, resting in this perfect harmonized energy from above. Even your intestines are relaxing as we move into your legs, down our feet and our toes. Fully aware now of the perfect energy coming from the divine, flowing through us. In this state, we're just going to relax and allow whatever conversations that pop into our head to sort of float by like a cloud. You do not have to join into the conversation. Just notice it as it goes by. And as we bring our consciousness back into our body fully, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Just so you guys are aware, that was one of the worst meditations for myself personally. I could not stop getting hooked on the messages or the conversations that were going by. And I just wanted you to know I'm human too. Some days it's just really hard not to get sucked in. And today was one of them because I'm using yet another program, yet another way of trying to make things work on Facebook for Chris and I. And it happens, but it doesn't mean I will not continue to try. You know, it's in the practice that we get the rewards. So I will hope to see you all soon. See you tomorrow and on Wednesday. Have a great, blessed day. Bye-bye.